This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Visit our website for more information.
When a vehicle comes in with worn suspension, steering, or driveline components, your customers aren't just counting on a repair. They're counting on a smooth ride, proper handling, and a reminder of what their vehicle felt like when they bought it. For technicians, that means installing parts you can trust the first time. That's where complete undercar coverage makes the difference. GSP offers coverage for over 99% of the vehicles on the road, giving you exactly what you need, whether you're replacing worn out parts on a daily driver or restoring ride control on a high mileage vehicle. From control arms and ball joints to tie rod ends, sway bar links, complete strut assemblies, wheel bearings, hub assemblies, and CV axles, every part is engineered to meet the demands of real-world driving. Uneven tire wear, loose steering, poor handling over bumps. These are some common complaints, or your customer might just say something doesn't feel right. When you're diagnosing these problems, knowing you have a trusted line of suspension components at your fingertips means you'll fix more than just a symptom. You'll fix the root cause with parts that are engineered to meet and exceed OEM quality standards. As a complete undercar solutions provider, GSP components are designed with durability and installation efficiency in mind. But just as important is coverage. Why? Because suspension repairs don't follow a schedule. One day it's a worn ball joint on a pickup. The next it's a control arm on a late model crossover. And maybe the next, an EV. With a full lineup designed for today's vehicles, you can find the right part quickly and get the job done without delays. But complete coverage isn't just about parts. It's also about confidence. Confidence that the component will fit correctly. Confidence that it will restore proper ride and handling. And confidence that the repair you perform today will hold up miles down the road. For us, that means fewer comebacks and more satisfied customers. And that's something every shop can appreciate. Thanks for watching.
This video is sponsored by GSP North America. Visit our website for more information.